Hebei Create Instrumentation Technologies Company Limited is a national high-tech technology enterprise which is specialized in the water quality online analysis instruments. The founder, Hao Xuanju, was first awarded the National Automatic Pure Water Monitor patent in 1988 and entered into the field of water quality online analysis and research. After years of painstaking research, the company has obtained 73 patents and 72 computer software copyrights. Createc has been awarded many honors such as National High-Tech Enterprises, Hebei Software Enterprises, and AAA Credit Enterprises, etc. The Sustainable Development Road, centered on water, defines the company's development strategy. With in-depth analysis of water quality, online analytical instruments, and focusing on environmental online analysis, the products run through the entire distribution belt from sewage to ultra-pure water. We have built the entire product ecosystem chain of sensing layer, application layer, integration layer, network layer, and big data, providing traceable and detailed historical data and trends for industrial processes, environmental protection, and water services, etc. Our water pollution topographic map, constructed by various statistical software, comprehensively support the application of water analysis internet. The product chain has formed two industrial categories: industrial process water quality analysis, environmental monitoring, and sewage treatment. Serialized integrated water quality analysis instruments covers online analyzers of ozone, free chlorine, urea, hardness, COD, ammonia nitrogen, total phosphorus, total nitrogen, multi-parameters, and digital sensors of conductivity, resistivity, pH, and ORP, dissolved oxygen, turbidity, fluorine, flow, and other analytical products. Widely used in electric power, petrochemical, metallurgy, energy, and other fields. Product has obtained the type approval certificates for measuring instruments and passed the European CE product certification, becoming the leading enterprise in the water quality online testing industry with all kinds of products, many varieties, excellent quality, and wide coverage. Because of its professionalism and reliable quality, the market share of Createc's online water quality analysis instruments has steadily increased. Our products have been exported to 66 countries around the world and gradually established regional partners. Createc has set Beijing subsidiary, Shanghai, Guangdong, and Shandong branch offices and established a comprehensive after-sales service system to provide convenient and efficient technical services for light, heavy industry, environment, and people's livelihood in domestic, hot industrial areas. Provide accurate qualitative and quantitative analytical instruments and problem solutions for the development of people's livelihood and science and technology, and contribute our own wisdom to the sustainable development of the economy. The company has a complete set of research and development, production, testing, quality control system with independent research and development production base and innovation platform, EMC electromagnetic compatibility laboratory, chemical laboratory, sensor engineering technology research center, electronic production line, SMT automatic placement, SMD automatic insertion, AOY artificial vision, reflow soldering, wave soldering, automatic machine detection, FCT, and other equipment to ensure mass production and quality. Advanced digital production equipment, digital detection, and quality control problems, such as automatic core cutting machine, and a multi-dimensional space precision machining. Turning Mill Integrated Machining Center provides comprehensive quality assurance for precision machining of sensors. The company strictly implements the quality management system, environmental quality management system, occupational health and safety management system. In order to ensure the continuous leading of science and technology, Createc has deep cooperation with high-end resources such as National Technical Institution and colleges to promote the enterprise innovation, sustainable development, and standardization construction. Createc is willing to cooperate with the leading industry chain partners to protect the ecological water quality, ensure the safety of human life, and push wisdom in China to a new peak to be the world's Createc. Never forget why you started and move forward.